Hi SUP chicks and SUP blokes. It's common for new paddleboarders to feel a little bit unstable when they start paddleboarding. They often ask, why is it that my paddleboard feels so unstable? Today we're going to talk about 10 potential reasons why your paddleboard might feel a little unstable. Number 1. The board width. The width of your paddleboard plays a crucial role in its stability. The narrower the board, while faster and better for racing, can feel a bit tippy and less stable compared to wider boards. If you're new to paddleboarding, opting for a wider model can provide more balance and comfort. Number 2. Weight distribution. Proper weight distribution is vital for maintaining stability on a paddleboard. If you're standing too far forward or too far backward, it can lead to instability. Try shifting your stance to ensure your weight is centered over the board for improved balance. Number 3. Water conditions. The state of the water can significantly affect the stability of your paddleboard. Choppy waves, strong currents, or conflicting swells can make it harder to maintain balance. Practicing in calm, flat water can help you build your stability skills before tackling more challenging conditions. Number 4. Paddle technique. Your paddling technique can influence your stability. If you're not using the right form, like overreaching or paddling on one side too much, you can cause the board to tilt or spin. Focusing on proper paddling technique and using your core for balance can enhance stability. Number 5. Board length. Shorter boards are generally less stable than longer ones since they have a smaller surface area. If you're using a shorter board for touring or spending long hours on the water, consider a longer board for increased stability. Number 6. Inflatable versus hardboards. Inflatable boards typically have less rigidity than hardboards. They can flex more on the water, causing instability, especially for heavier paddlers. If you find your inflatable board unstable, you might benefit from a hardboard instead, or also checking that you have the right inflation PSI. Number 7. Foot placement. Where you stand on the board can greatly influence stability. If you're standing too far to one side, it can make it more likely to tip. Practicing proper foot placement and adjusting your stance can enhance your balance. Ensure that each foot is either side of the handle of the board, which is right in the center of the board. By practicing proper foot placement and adjusting your stance to shoulder width apart either side of the handle, which is the mid part of the board, you can enhance your balance. Number 8. Experience level. Beginners naturally struggle with balance until they become accustomed to paddling. If you're new to paddleboarding, remember that it takes time to build the necessary strength and balance skills, so practice is key. Number 9. Physical condition. Your physical condition can affect balance. Core strength is particularly important in maintaining stability on a paddleboard. Engaging in exercises that improve your core strength will contribute positively to your balance while paddling. Number 10. Equipment quality. If your paddleboard is of low quality or has defects, it might not perform as expected, contributing to instability. Ensuring your equipment is in good shape and suited for your weight and skill level can enhance your paddleboarding experience. For more tips on getting the most out of your paddleboard, see this playlist. Do you love our mission to share the awesomeness that is paddleboarding? If you'd love to support us, check out our store. It's a perfect place to find a gift for friends and loved ones, or when you just want to treat yourself. The link is in the description. Thanks for joining us. Make sure to like and subscribe and share with your paddleboarding mates. See you next time.